I couldn't wait for this morning. Like, I couldn't wait at all. I couldn't wait. This is what I'm trying today. It's for the first time. It's so, I feel like it's already yummy and creamy and tasty and all that because I just can't wait. Good morning, guys. I'm so excited. I'm trying out something new. So they call it a tasty trio. Huh? Like a tasty trio. A trio most is three. You know, it's just three ingredients. So I have my iced coffee here. So I think I also need ice because this one I love it with ice. So let me quickly just get my ice. Ooh. So I got my ice here. So yeah, I have this. It's my iced coffee, and then I have the protein bars. So you put one protein bar. So guys, the way I eat these things. So yeah, I'm gonna use one from here, and then my protein drink mix. So and then I'm just gonna blend everything together. So what I will do is put ice in here because I want it nice cold, and you know, I'm gonna put some ice, and then I'll put in my, so this one is done. Guys, the way I eat these shakes, I just don't know. I don't know, guys. Okay, I need to get another one. So this one is, I was using the other one and sealed, so I have to open this. It's easy opening. So I just opened, you see, so it's powder, and then I'll just put in my scoop. I'll put in my iced coffee. It smells nice, guys. This one smells so nice. So one scoop of coffee, iced coffee. The second one, and then that's it. And then I just where's my scoop? Oh, I could grab the scoop from here. This one is done. Get my, just put in my protein, one scoop, second scoop. Okay, that's it. Guys, I can't wait for this one. I've tried so many, but this one just seems so different, man. This is protein bar. It's a chocolate peanut flavor. I love, these are my favorites. Protein bars. We have 3 flavors, and then I just put in the way I feel like eating it. Okay, let me behave and just put it in as instructed. And then I put in my water, 250 ml. Yeah. And I just can't wait for these guys to come out. Like, I feel like I just want to eat already. And I just place it on and and it looks so yummy already. Like it looks so guys, I'm salivating. Like I'm salivating right now. Let me put this one here and this one. Guys, so it must be nice. It must be nice. It must be nice. So nice, guys. I'm gonna put it in here. It smells so nice, guys. Yo, this smell is just the one. Wow, it is so up, and then guys, look at that. Guys, I just need to taste this now because I can't anymore. So I just can't. This is my tasty trio. Yeah. Taste trio, guys, and yo, guys. Yo. I just feel like I need to make another cup. This one is not enough. Yo. I feel like the straw is even, just delaying me. Yummy. And it's going down, you guys. Yo. Guys, yo. Yo. I love it, guys. I so love this one. Can I just go for a second cup or something? Well, thank you guys for tuning in. See you again next time in my next video. Make sure you subscribe down below and you get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye bye, guys.